that dope, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I created these beautiful long passion twists. I have done passion twists on my channel before. I have done them 2 times already here on my channel, so if you guys are interested in checking out those videos, I will link them down in the description box. So in this video I used a different type of hair. I used the African natural braid hair. This 3X value pack water wave braid pre-stretch hair. It's actually $10.99 a pack, and I did use 4 packs of this hair. In this video you guys will notice that I do have 2 different outfits on, and that's because when I first started filming this video, which was last night, I had 3 packs of this hair, which I thought was going to be enough, but apparently it was not enough. So this morning I had to go back to get another pack of this hair, so that's why you see an outfit change in this video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created these, then of course continue watching this video.